Casa Azul, beachside concrete house design that lives in harmony with nature. Introduction: Discovering Casa Azul. Welcome to the Decor Essence channel, where we explore the world of architecture and interior design that create spaces in harmony with the environment. In today's video, we will delve into the stunning design of Casa Azul, a unique beachside concrete house that blurs the lines between modern architecture and the natural world. Situated along the coast, this house is an exceptional example of how thoughtful design can embrace and enhance its natural surroundings while offering the comforts of contemporary living. If you're a fan of innovative home designs and sustainable architecture, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this incredible design. Now, let's take a deep dive into how Casa Azul seamlessly integrates with its beachside location. A vision of harmony between architecture and nature. Casa Azul was conceived with a singular vision: to live in harmony with nature, making it both a retreat and a sustainable home. The design aims to create a perfect balance between the built environment and the elements of the natural world: sea, sky, and land. The materials used in the construction, notably concrete, serve as a foundation that provides not only durability but also a connection to the raw, organic textures found on the beach. The concrete structure is not a stark contrast to the natural surroundings but rather complements the rugged landscape. Sustainability at the core of design. Sustainability is at the heart of Casa Azul. While concrete may not initially come to mind when thinking about sustainable materials, its use here is intentional. Concrete's thermal mass properties allow the house to maintain a stable internal temperature year-round, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Additionally, the concrete is locally sourced, minimizing transportation emissions and supporting the local economy. The design incorporates energy-efficient systems, such as solar panels and rainwater collection systems, that contribute to the role of the concrete material in design. Concrete is a key material in Casa Azul's architecture, chosen not only for its durability but also for its ability to withstand the harsh coastal environment. The combination of concrete with large glass panels creates a striking contrast between the solid, grounded nature of the structure and the open, airy feel of the interiors. The use of raw, unfinished concrete on both the exterior and interior provides a sense of honesty and authenticity, letting the material's inherent texture and color speak for itself. This approach not only creates a visually appealing Large openings for light and views. One of the most defining features of Casa Azul is its emphasis on light and views. The design incorporates expansive glass openings that allow for unobstructed vistas of the beach and surrounding nature. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame breathtaking views of the ocean, blurring the boundaries between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The glass walls allow natural light to flood the interior, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that enhances the sense of openness. In the living areas, you can imagine sitting in the comfort of your home while feeling as though you are part of the landscape. Indoor-outdoor flow and functionality. Another impressive aspect of Casa Azul is its seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The design incorporates large sliding doors and open terraces that connect the interior living spaces to the outdoors, allowing residents to fully embrace the beachside setting. The outdoor areas are thoughtfully designed to be an extension of the home, with lounging spaces, dining areas, and a beautiful garden that leads directly to the beach. This continuous flow between inside and outside reflects the home's dedication to merging with its environment. The use of natural stone, wood accents, The living room, a coastal sanctuary. The living room of Casa Azul is the heart of the home. Its expansive design opens up to the ocean views, with the large windows serving as a backdrop for a minimalistic yet cozy interior. The furniture is carefully selected to reflect the coastal environment, with natural materials such as wood, linen, and cotton playing a prominent role. The colors of the furniture and decor are inspired by the hues of the sea and sand, with soft blues, whites, and beiges creating a serene atmosphere. In this space, comfort and simplicity are prioritized, allowing the focus to remain. Private retreats, bedrooms with ocean views. The bedrooms of Casa Azul are designed to be private retreats that offer peace and tranquility. Much like the rest of the home, the bedrooms are oriented to take advantage of the sweeping views of the beach and ocean. The interior design here is minimal, with soft, neutral tones that evoke a sense of calm. Large glass doors open up to private balconies or patios, allowing for an unobstructed connection with the outdoors. The natural light that pours in throughout the day transforms the rooms into peaceful sanctuaries. integration of local materials and craftsmanship. A key element of Casa Azul's design is its use of locally sourced materials and craftsmanship, which adds authenticity and a sense of place to the house. Local stone is used for both interior and exterior surfaces, grounding the house in its environment while also creating a connection to the surrounding landscape. The wood used in the interior spaces is locally harvested and treated to withstand the coastal climate. Every detail, from the handcrafted furniture to the custom-made fixtures, has been designed to reflect the cultural and natural identity of the area. Conclusion: a timeless connection with nature. Casa Azul is a masterful example of how architecture can exist in perfect harmony with nature. Through the use of concrete, expansive glass openings, and sustainable design principles, the home offers an innovative and thoughtful response to its beachside location. The seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, along with the use of natural materials, creates a living experience that is both luxurious and grounded in the natural world. This home proves that modern architecture can be sustainable, beautiful, and respectful of the environment. If you've enjoyed exploring Casa Azul with us,